A very good morning to Miss Y and friends. Today I'm going to be giving a persuasive speech. First of all, you're going to ask, what are reality shows? Reality shows are programs where ordinary people are continuously filmed. Why would someone do that, you ask? It is because when you continuously film someone in hopes of getting drama, which is considered entertaining, this is because reality shows are designed to be entertaining and not informative. Some examples of reality shows are Keeping Up with the Kardashians, where they record their daily lives and how they resolve family issues and just go shopping. In Kitchen Nightmares, it's about a chef called Gordon Ramsay. He goes to failing restaurants and attempt to revive the restaurant. And in America's Got Talent, people all around the world come to audition to see whether they have their talent and if they are worthy enough to prove themselves to the four judges. As my speech today is about reality shows exploiting people, first of all, we're going to know what the meaning of exploiting is. Exploiting means making use of a person in a way considered unfair. And how do reality shows exploit people, you ask? It harms the good reputation of people all over the world, and some of those people don't even get paid, and some of them don't get paid enough. Here are some examples: 90 Day Fiancé and Shahs of Sunset. In 90 Day Fiancé, the producer gave Big Ed a contract, the one on the left, which means he was paid for the part of his show, and meanwhile Rose was not given a contract, so she was not paid for her part in the show. This is sad because Rose, who was living in Philippines, did not have enough money to live a stable life, which means she really needed the money for the show. In Shadows of Sunset, one of the editors, Vanessa Hughes, also came out to say that they were expected to be given a steady healthcare and a pension benefit, but have not received any. This just goes to show that the producers are even exploiting the crew members as well. Here we have some solutions to solve the issue. One of it is to try to get the ratings of the show not to go up, which will eventually get the show cancelled. But how do you do that? You got to find people who watch the shows and how ask them to boycott the show or not watch the show so eventually that the show gets cancelled. Secondly, we got to stop the advertising of the shows. To do that, we have to write to the advertisers. But for them to take down the shows, you got to give them very valid reasons, which is that producers are exploiting the crew members and the casts. And thirdly, we have to start a campaign to stop the exploitation of the cast and crew members. It doesn't have to be a physical campaign, it can be a digital campaign as well. We can create a petition in change.org to eventually get enough signatures to get the show cancelled. So, what would happen once the solution eventually works? The public image of the cast will not be ruined, which could lead them to land bigger roles in movies and other TV shows. They will also not receive unnecessary hate for drama, which was 90% of the time staged and perceived to be true. It can also save the future reputation of the future actors and actresses. A random fact is this also helps people at home because watching shows like Keeping Up with the Kardashians tends to set a mindset in people that they have to be perfect. This then leads them to get plastic surgery and implants to look like their favorite celebrities, which in my opinion is just wrong thing to do. As a conclusion, it is clear that reality shows are exploiting their crew and their casts and is becoming a serious issue over time. Hence, we should try to help these people who are being exploited in those types of TV shows by using the examples I have stated. And therefore, I'd like to thank you all for watching.